Other thing just came out of that box right there, and it's this. It's the shark fin. Oh my god. Of course it's in plastic. Okay, here we go. It's the shark fin in all black. Gloss back. So the rear trunk lip, the glass lip, and then now this, they're all gloss black, which is the theme I'm trying to go for. Thank God I saved this, or I have extra tape. I'm not only going to put it here, I'm going to put it on the sides as well, so that way it gives it some extra sticking power so it doesn't come off while I'm driving. Let me add these parts, the sticker on both sides on this, and I'm going to put this on the car, and I'm going to step back and show you overall look. Alright, so we got them all on the inside. Let me show you how it's going to look on the car really quick. So where it's going to go, it's like that. Dang. So we got that installed, that installed, that installed, that installed. And the Civic hatch is looking pretty good. Oh, also tints. So those are the 5 things I put on this car since I purchased it. All right, so let me go ahead and put that on really quick. I'm gonna stick it down, make sure it doesn't move, make sure it doesn't come off. All right, so I took the red side off. The way I'm gonna install this is I'm gonna set it down in the back first. I'm gonna push it down in place, and then just kind of hold it there a little bit. Squeeze the corners. Squeeze the corners. Push down where I know the sticky tape is. Like that. All done. Man, when you zoom out, that looks nice. You gotta be real. The back of the Civic looks really nice like this. Yeah. All right, well, I want to thank you guys for watching this quick video on the install on the glass wing and also the shark fin cover and gloss black so that they both match the trunk wing lip. Thank you guys for watching this real quick video. I'm trying to keep them short, so stay tuned for the next video. I do have plans for the Civic that I want to change a few more things. I want you guys to have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day.